Hola amigos, my name is Maria and today I'm going to show you how to make a whole food plant-based version of pumpkin spiced muffins or Magdalenas de Calabaza. That's next. For those of you who are new to my channel, I like showing you how to make healthy, delicious meals and treats, especially if you are looking to lose weight or reverse type 2 diabetes. Today it's pumpkin spiced muffins or Magdalenas de Calabaza. I love having sweet treats, but I prefer making them myself. I can control the ingredients and their quality. Homemade goodies always taste best. This is an easy recipe that is both healthy and delicious. I used maple syrup to sweeten them, and it basically comes down to 1 teaspoon in each muffin, and yet I find them sweet enough for me. You can always add more sweetener if it isn't enough for you. They are less than 100 calories each, and they are super delicious. My muffin pan is made out of silicone. I love using silicone because nothing sticks to it. I don't have to grease the pan. I highly recommend buying one or using parchment paper cups to avoid using oil. The pumpkin makes these muffins extra moist without adding unnecessary fat. By the way, these freeze really well and they are super yummy. Well, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell button so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. I'll be back soon with another delicious recipe. Hasta luego!